Hey guys, what's up? My name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Guys, I had purchased this watch from Realme store, Realme Watch S. This watch was launched by Realme around a couple of months ago, but a new variant that is in silver color has been launched just last week. So I thought, why should not I give a try? So this is a very economical smartwatch from Realme. It's priced around 4,999. You can get it both at Flipkart as well as Realme store. However, there was some prepaid offer going on, so I got this watch for around 3,999. So let us begin the unboxing. First of all, this is the box which I received, and we need to just cut off this box. Guys, Realme uses the Blue Dart courier service. So Blue Dart has delivered this package today itself. So the box has been opened, very simple. So inside the box there is the invoice which I received from Realme, and then the box of the Realme watch. This is the box of Realme Watch S, quite a big box I think, and the highlights of this watch has been mentioned properly in the back. Like, first of all is 3.3 centimeter. It is 1.3 inch color screen which has auto brightness calibration. Heart rate monitor has been present, blood oxygen monitor, that is you can constantly monitor SpO2, which is very essential nowadays due to the COVID situation. Then there are 16 sports modes which are available in this watch, and the watch has also a long lasting battery. I don't know how much the battery will be because right now it's just unboxing, so I will test the battery live during my usage. And obviously this watch is IP68 water and dust protection, so you are not worried about if it is get absorbed in water or it is attacked by some dust particles. So let us peel through the box right now. Normal packaging, Realme what does is very simple packaging. So let me just peel this plastic. And guys, these days smartwatch are very important because a lot of us are measuring the SpO2 constantly, and smartwatch which has SpO2 sensor are becoming very popular these days. So let me keep these things aside for the time being, and I have peeled the plastic, and inside it is the watch. I think it's good packaging, Realme does every time. Yeah, so the box has been opened finally, and this is the main highlight, Realme Watch S. So let me keep this for the time being, and inside it there is some another box, but nothing is there. So under that there is a watch manual. You can read it if you want to know about more things of the watch, like various functions, how to set up. I will brief you all that how you can set up this watch. So this is the brief manual from Realme, and last but not the least, the magnetic charging base, by which you can just keep this watch like this and you can just charge your using a micro USB cable. So guys, this is the unboxing experience. So guys, this is the watch itself. Let me now give you an overview of this watch. The strap of this watch is made up of entirely silicon, and you can interchange it with any silicon straps of your choice. It is a 42 watch, and the pixel is 360 into 360 resolution with a PPI of 278, and the length of the watch, that is the screen size, is 1.3 inch screen size. It is a color screen, and it is been covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It is a curved 2.5D screen. Now let me peel the plastic of this watch. As soon as I peel this plastic of this watch, you can find the watch in its full glory. Now you have to just set up this watch. So there are two buttons in this watch. The border of this watch is made up of entirely metallic, that is aluminium, but the circular, which is the dial, is plastic. So let me just switch on the watch. There are two buttons, and one button for power on and off, and another button is for the various sports modes. There are 16 sports modes which I will show you accordingly. Now let me just power on. Let me see whether it has some charge left or not. Yeah, it gives a very vibration feedback, and Realme logo has come. So I just need to select English, and just need to click, and I just need to scan this to download the app. So what you need to do is you should have a Realme Link App in your smartphone. This app is already available both for Android as well as for the iOS. So I have already downloaded the Realme Link App. Now let me just open the Realme Link App and just need to add the device. So I will go to the watch, and in the watch there are three options: Realme Watch, Realme Watch S and Realme Watch S Pro. So I will select Realme Watch S, and it is connecting. Yeah, you will get an option that agree to the phone binding request. You just need to accept it, and binding success. Yeah, very easy. Just need to select this allow, whether you want to access to your contacts. So I think you can give this access. So now you have to click get started in your Realme app. This is some legal information which you need to accept, and permission request. There are three permission requests. You need to read carefully before accepting. One is call reminder, another one is notification, another one is music playback control, which you can give permission, and permission not turned on, turn on. And Realme Link App, you need to just select this. So you need to just accept this. There will be some 10 seconds delay, so you need to wait for 10 seconds so that the device can recognize. Just need to click OK, and just need to select this OK, and once OK, you just need to go back and allow to access all the phone calls and the messages and the contacts as well. And as you can see, this is the Realme Link App, and in this app all the features are been present, like all the sports mode, sleep mode, heart rate sensor. Like this watch has continuous heart rate sensor as well as SpO2 sensor, so you can do heart monitoring as well as your blood oxygen monitoring. So you can see already a device update is present, and this is update size is around 150 MB, and the update number is 1.3.0.51. This update will do optimize connection issues as well as other known issues, like other bug fixes will be done. So you can just update it. So update is now updating. So once updated, you can find that the watch will be updated very soon. Update has been completed, and if the update has been completed, package I've downloaded updating, the watch has been updating. So just need to wait for the update to be completed. And regarding this watch, it has all the necessary functions for a smartwatch, like you can access all your contacts, you can cut and receive calls, means smart notification is there, means you can cut all the incoming calls. You can also see what are the messages you are receiving from your social networking apps like WhatsApp as well as in Instagram. So but you can't reply them, since it is not a Wear OS based watch. It is a Realme OS is there in this watch, so you can't reply to your notifications. However, you can read them. You can also can't speak to the other person, means you can't receive the calls and speak to the other person because there is no microphone present in this watch. However, you can cut the incoming call. So but at this price, aren't we expecting too much? If you want a good smartwatch where there is calling facility as well as replying facility, that price would have been around 14,000-15,000, like we have Oppo smartwatch as well as OnePlus watch. So in this price, I think Realme is giving a good offering. So it is updating. 99% has already been completed. Yeah, it's updated. So just need to select back, and once you are back, the watch has been updated. So the watch has been updated successfully. So you can see right now it has been connected to the Realme Link App, and over here the watch has been restarting again because it has been updated. So once updated, you can find all the necessary notifications, as you can see, like the updating is being done from in this watch. So once has been updated, you can find that the watch will sync all the data, and all the relevant data will be there in the Realme Link App. I will just show you. Yeah, as you can see, the watch has been updated successfully. This is the current watch face, where you can find out all the necessary information like the time and the heart rate monitor, the number of steps which has been used in over here. These are the various modes which are present in the watch. Like you can see, this is a settings, and over here is the outdoor running is there, weather is there, heart rate is there, music control is there. You can control your camera app also. There is sleep monitoring can be done, stress monitoring can be done. So the heart rate monitor is there, continuous SpO2 sensor is also there, and these are the, if you go to the settings over from here also you can control. This has auto brightness sensor, so the brightness can be adjusted in the indoor as well as outdoor. From the display and brightness, you can find auto brightness right now is switch on. So over here you can just do it. So you can just set it according to your own choice. So this vibration intensity, like the haptic feedback. Power saving mode means you can save the battery. Realme is claiming 15 days, so you can further save this battery according to your own choice. So now if you go to the general, in the general over here you can find that there are no other options left. System over here, if you go, restart option is there. Directly power off this watch from the watch itself. And reset means you can factory reset this watch according to your own choice. Regulatory information means the other legal information which you don't need. And about is, that is the watch information. Realme watch is there. Systems version is 1.3.0 and the hardware version is H.10. So it is been connected via the Realme Link App. So over here this is the custom watch and these are the watch time. Like you can click, this is the alarm you can set. You can also set the stopwatch also. So this is the watch and this is the bookmark, means you can select this if you want to select in particular function. And this is the music, what I was telling. From the you don't have to carry your smartwatch, so you can control your music right from the Realme watch itself. And this is the SpO2, like yeah, this is the SpO2. You just need to wear the watch in your hand, and the heart rate as well as the oxygen monitor can be controlled from here. And the sleep, if you wear this during time of sleep, it can track your sleep, whether you are having sufficient amount of sleep. So this is the overview of the watch right now. I will use this watch for a couple of weeks and I will give my full review. In the first impression, what I am seeing, the watch is very good. The touch response is also very good and the screen is bright enough. Right now it is indoor, so let me use this watch in the outdoor in the harsh sunlight, and I can tell you about the visibility. And this plastic can't be removed. This plastic dial can be removed. This is just a showpiece, I think. And nothing else. This watch strap is very good. In the back, this is the entirely made of plastic and the sensors represent what I mentioned, and this side is of alloy. So quality wise, build wise also, this watch is looking very good, very promising. So let me just test this and I will give my full review after using it for guys. This was my unboxing and the initial impression video for the Realme Watch S, and I will use this watch for a couple of weeks and I will give my full in-depth review. Do subscribe to my channel for getting the latest updates of all the technologies that happening around the world. Stay safe, stay vaccinated, and guys, take care. Bye bye.